Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to download the Bondee app in your Android phone. So first of all, open your Play Store and search here for the Bondee app, but you can see that no Bondee app is appear here. So how can we get this app? So first of all, you have to just move back and then search here for the Turbo VPN. Okay, after searching it, you have to just install and then open it. If you have already Turbo VPN in your Android or iPhone, then you have to just update your Turbo VPN. Click to open this Turbo VPN in your Android phone and then connect it to your device. Tap to connect it to your device. It will take a while, so you have to be patient. Now you have to just click on the location. Now you have to just search here for the Singapore. Just tap on it and then click on the Singapore again. And after doing so, you have to just wait for connecting it to the Singapore server. You have to wait for some while. So you can see that it has been connected successfully. You have to just close the ad and then now you have to just minimize it and then open your Play Store again. And now again search here for the Bondee app and search it. Now you can see that the Bondee app has been showing here, and now you have to just click on the install option and you will find here just type of the two questions. You have to just click on over any network and then click OK. After this, your installing has been started. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in my description. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.